Hello students, good morning everyone. In today's class, you are going to learn Unit 1, Pros 1, Sports Stars. Okay? You already know about sports, is it? So, you have 3 sections in this lesson. First, you learn about Mithali Raj. She belongs to cricket. And then next, you learn about Usha Rani and she belongs to Kabaddi. And then in third section, you are going to learn about PV Sindhu and she belongs to badminton sports. So, you are going to learn about 3 players in this sports star lesson. Okay? First, we move on to first section. In this section, you learn about Mithali Durairaj and she is a cricket player. So, we move on to see in detail. Okay, come, we start our lesson. Listen to the teacher, read a diary account of a school boy and answer the questions. Now you are going to read a school boy's diary. Okay, each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold and I had the best day at school today. A boy is writing diary about his experience that he had in his school. Cricket is something that I love. Today my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Durairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. See, I highlighted some of the important points here, children. Please listen carefully. In test and one-day internationals, I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it is not for you. You had better play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10 and she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. See, in this lesson, we are going to learn about Mithali Durairaj. Mithali Durairaj is an Indian cricketer and also captain for Indian women's cricket team. And also in test matches and in one-day international cricket. Okay. The boy surprised that women can play cricket so well. As a girl, he did not allow his sister to play cricket with him. The boy did not allow his sister to play cricket. And then his teacher told him that they will learn about a cricket player. All of a sudden, he thought of Sachin Tendulkar and also Virat Kohli and some other male players. But unsurprisingly, she introduced about Mithali Durairaj. What was the introduction? Yes, Mithali Durairaj started to play cricket at the age of 10. And then she also selected for the Indian cricket team at the age of 17. These are the 2 introduction points. So I highlighted with yellow color. Please listen, children. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. What is the mother tongue of Mithali Durairaj? Yes, her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman. Listen, now we are going to learn about her. Okay, her mother tongue is Tamil and she lives in Hyderabad. Where she lives? She lives in Hyderabad. How many of you know about Mithali Durairaj? Okay, fine, children. See, she is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and only woman to surpass the 6,000 run marks in one-day internationals. ODIs means one-day international cricket. Okay. She surpasses 6,000 runs. That means she scores 6,000 runs in one-day international cricket. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. In fact, she nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket as she is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Test, ODIs and T20s. I would love to quit that Mithali had to say about this compliment. Being a very good cricket player, people compared her with Tendulkar. She is nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket team. And also she said something about this compliment. What she said, listen, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not to be compared to a male cricketer. She tells that as a comparison with Sachin sir, she is very privileged. Okay, and she want to make her own identity. So she tells that not to be compared with a male cricketer. Sachin achieved so much of things in cricket field, is it? So, as being a woman cricketer, she doesn't want to compare with a male cricketer. Now we move on to next one. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers. Listen, she started her career by playing with her brother, and also she started practicing in a very young age. Okay, now we move on to next one. And also she broke the traditional barriers that cricket is only for men. No, not like that. Women also can play a cricket game. Okay, now we move on to next one. And I forgot to mention about recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player, Smriti Mandhana, hit stylish off centuries, and India cruised to a comfortable 9 wicket victory over South Africa in second women's T20 international on 23rd of Feb 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Here the boy mentions about the recent achievement of Mithali and her team. Mithali Raj and another woman player called Smriti Mandhana hit a stylish off centuries with 9 wicket victory over South Africa. This T20 match held on 23rd of February 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Shows she scored 76 runs. Now that I inspired by her and his attitude has changed. So in second section we learn about Usha Rani, and now we move on to book back exercise. Okay, first one is put tick or wrong. Okay, a school going girl writes the diary account. No, wrong. Second one is the boy was so inspired by Mithali that he was happy for his sister to play cricket. Yes. And third one is, so I put a tick. Okay. Third one is Mithali Raj is happy to recognized as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. No, she doesn't happy. She doesn't want to compare with a male cricketer, is it? So fourth one is women should not compare with the men in cricket, says Mithali. Yes, correct. And the next one is Mithali Raj was not encouraged to play cricket by her family members. No, wrong. And the next sixth one is Mithali is one of the women players to score 7 consecutive 50s. Yes. She scored 7 consecutive 50s, is it? 7 continuous 50s, that is, okay? And then last one is Mithali's mother tongue is Telugu, is it? No, it's a wrong. Her mother tongue is Tamil. You learned that Mithali's mother tongue is Tamil, is it? So, Mithali's mother tongue is Telugu means it is a wrong statement. So, now you are going to write all the 7 statements 2 times, okay? This is your today's homework. Thank you.